In today's video, I'm going to give you the drive-up and drive-through experience of what it's like if you're sailing out of Terminal 10 in Port Canaveral. But first, roll the intro. Welcome back to Here Today, Where Tomorrow, on our way to board a cruise out of Port Canaveral, more specifically, the MSC Seashore out of Terminal 10. As we cruise down 528 approaching the cruise terminals, you can see a glimpse of some of the cruise ships on the horizon as we go over some of these bridges. Now, there are technically two exits from 528 for the different terminals that Port Canaveral offer, and that is exit 54A and 54B. We are currently getting off for terminals 5 through 10 on 54A. Now, like I said, this cruise was specifically an MSC cruise, but there are other cruise ships that leave out of Terminal 10. And Terminal 8, well, that's specifically Disney Cruise Line's terminal. As you can see, we did run into some traffic here, and that is because the drawbridge that connects the mainland with these terminals was actually stuck open for a period of time, so there was some backing up of traffic, but soon we scurried right along. Once we get off at this exit, the terminal options are Terminal 5 and 6 and 8 and 10. Now, like I said, we were going to Terminal 10, so we took the first exit here on our right. If you were going to 5 and 6, you would continue on. As you can see, we have the Carnival Vista here in Terminal 5, and then we have a Disney ship here, and of course our ship, the MSC Seashore, which if you'd like to see a whole series aboard the MSC Seashore, I will link down below and put a card up above to an entire series of our time aboard. We had a wonderful time. Out of the 5 different cruise lines we have cruised with, MSC is one of our favorites. Again, there was lots of traffic here, and unfortunately when we did pull up to the parking garage area, there was someone that was not paying attention and was in the wrong line. So we all had to back up and allow them to turn around and go up the down and go to where they actually needed to go. But once we paid our way, which was $17 a day here for the parking in the parking garage, we went ahead and pulled through the parking garage and dropped off our bags. But I don't think everyone got that memo, and so there were a lot of people parking here in the parking garage and walking their luggage up. That's not something that I cared to do. So once we broke free from all of those people, we pull over here and you can see the ship in all its glory. The Seashore is a beautiful ship, albeit a bit choppy at times. They really are shoving a lot of things into these ships these days. But as you can see here, we pull right up to one of the porters who gladly takes our bag and a couple of extra dollars here for him. I usually do about $2 a bag, so if we have 2 or 3 bags, it'll be $4 to $6. And then once we were done with that, we were free to park and go on into the cruise terminal. I pretty much chose to park right here because this really was one of the closest parking spots to the terminal entrance and exit. So I did. I backed into a spot right here, just beyond these barriers. But that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple if you know what to do, and I hope that this video kind of gives you a little bit more of a preparedness. It is chaotic at times with so many cars coming in and kids screaming in the back. Everyone's already there yet. So it definitely has some challenges, but along with this video and a keen eye on the signs, I believe in you. So thank you very much for watching. If you'd like to see any of our other cruise videos, cruise vlogs, tips, tricks, etc., I would invite you to subscribe. My name's Rob with Here Today, Where Tomorrow, and we will see you there. If you like this video and want to see more, please head on over to the channel and subscribe. And if you want to get notified, ring that little bell. We upload new videos every week.